Making a bird feeder. These are the things you need to use to make a bird feeder. Knife, sticks, scissors, paper towel roll, peanut butter, birdseed, and string.
Hey guys, today's craft is bird feeders.
So we have a paper towel roll. I'm going to put a hole into them. Let's see. I should put it in right there, right? There. Now, here's the hole. Now we're going to do the other hole. And it's at a different length, so birds can stand on here and birds can stand on there. Woo!
And with some beaks and
There. How to draw a bird. So now we need to cover this with peanut butter. Dirt. Take a knife. Marcus, I would do the top and then you would do the bottom. This just feels weird. I don't get this.
make it some. I don't get it too.
You want to spread it all over. Try not to get it on this and then the seed. Scrape it down. 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 All we need is when the seed sticks.
I know if they like peanut butter.
Gives them a bit of softness to the nuts.
Yeah.
Complete the pattern. Bird, bird, bird feeder, bird, bird. Bird feeder, bird, bird feeder, bird. Bird feeder.
I hope the birds
aren't
don't
allergic to peanut butter.
Are we done?
No,
No.
the whole thing needs to be covered in peanut butter. Now this is what I like. This is how we make a bird feeder in style.
Cool, it's done.
No, it's not. We need to cover every single
Part.
little
Parts. Almost done. Almost done. Almost done. We're almost done. Hi. We have peanut butter.
and voila. Ta-da! Now, Marcus, you have the honors to pour
The seeds.
the seeds. Whoa, that was fast.
I know.
So now we're gonna spread them out, spread the seeds out.
Cream them in. Cream them in. give them a nice texture.
See? I got peanut butter on my fingers and now it's sticking to me, which is good. You roll it, well, let's roll it.
Roll it. Your hands have to get dirty. Pretending rolling. Looks done.
Try to get everything.
Yeah, it's
up.
working. I have peanut butter too. Looks like it's done.
Is voila! Voila! Our bird feeder. I need to go. Let's go wash our hands. Break time.
Break time.
How many birds? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many birds? 6 go away. How many are remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 birds. So now you would put 2 holes at the top, then take some string,
Yeah.
tie a knot,
Yeah?
and then you can hang your bird feeder.
Yeah.
And the bird can sit on here. Yum, 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 yum. Sit on here. Yum, 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 yum.
So now hang
Let's go hang it up.
Let's go hang it up.
Let's just make sure that none of the seeds fall off. Yeah. Now, we're going to hang it up there. Now, let's see if I can reach it. Ta-da! Our nice, beautiful bird feeder. I'm happy.